Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is, sorry if there's like some music playing in the background, just like my roommates, you know, they're listening to some music, so sorry if you can hear that a little bit, but you should mainly be able to hear my voice here. And I'm hopping right into this video because you can see him here at the screen recording. So if you want to check my Instagrams, all that, Discord down below, subscribe, like, you know, I'd appreciate it. It's all down there. But we're mainly getting into the topic of this video, which is the fact that Kobe sneakers, all of them are going up in price, and there is one reason for that, which I will explain in this video. And I'm going to say one more thing. I was trying to like 250 likes on this video. That's the goal. So I'd appreciate it if we could hit that, but not at the end of the world if we don't. So if you look at pretty much any Kobe's, you go look at the Grinch ones, kind of the retro ones that dropped, OG pairs, any of them, they're all going up in price. I mean, look at the charts for one day. Then this isn't like a price error or anything. Like literally, these shoes have gone up hundreds of dollars in one day. And the reason for that is because if you go look up, I mean, it's been kind of all over Instagram. If you follow like some of those reselling pages, like the ones that, you know, give like resale news and stuff like that, or just discuss like what's going on in the community with shoes. And you're probably here for this video. Nike's contract with Kobe ended, and the Kobe's family, his estate, they rejected signing a new contract. They do not want to renew a new contract. There's no negotiation on a new one, and Kobe sneakers are done with Nike. There is going to be no more Kobe shoes from this point, pretty much. And with now knowing that there's no more Kobe shoes, every single reseller that has a pair of Kobe's has marked up the prices to the moon. So I mean, if you're looking to invest in Kobe's, go do it right now. Go do it right now. It is a guaranteed money investment. I mean, they're going to continue to rise as more people continue to figure this out. And I mean, just over time, you know, since, you know, Kobe has passed, sadly, I mean, just, you know, the more time we get from that date, the more the shoes will go up. So just really one with time. I expect these to rise a crazy amount in the next like 6 to 8 months, especially next year. Just, you know, especially those Lakers colorways, anything to do with Lakers colorways, like a pair, what was it, the Kobe 5 Proto Lakers? Yeah, this pair especially, this is going to be crazy valuable in like a year. Same with this one right here, is why people are buying it, the Kobe 6 Grunches. I've been trying to negotiate a deal to get pairs of these and the, you know, Bruce Lee's. I've just been trying to get some pairs right now just to have in like the collection or something, because I honestly want a pair of Kobe's just to have to remember and buy. And I don't know, maybe I'd get one to sell and one to keep, but I feel like it'd just be really cool to like have a pair of Kobe's like 20 years down the line and be like, yeah, this pair, you know, this is like a retro version. I just kind of like back from, you know, when I was a kid or whatever, or, you know, when I was just like kind of freshman in college, you know. Alright, so I was having some sort of issue with my camera a second ago, like the battery was dying, so hopefully there isn't like that annoying background ticking sound that sometimes happens. If there is, it goes away after a little bit, but I guess we'll just get into a couple good models that if you are looking for any particular Kobe's to buy, I mean, any of them are going to go up now since this contract has ended, but a couple ones that I guess are more recent that you should look in particularly if you are looking to invest, or just get your pairs before, you know, they go up. You're trying to get your kid a pair, you trying to get a pair because, you know, you're a big fan of Kobe and all of them are going up right now. Well, then here's some pairs that are really going up. The Bruce Lee ones, all sizes have pretty much started rising. The smaller ones are going for a little bit less right now, still under $300, but not for long. You see these bigger sizes are now at $500, $400. So I mean, those are going to be above, you know, $350 very soon, easy estimate. Along with the Grinches, I mean, every single, I mean, just once you see this, I mean, you're just like, it makes you go just like, all right, bro, like, all right. And now if you look at the recent sales, like this isn't cap either. Like all the sales are up. All the sales are up. There was even, I don't know why StockX just kicked me off that, but yeah, if we go back to that, and hopefully it will load back up right there properly. There was a sale, yeah, look, like, I don't know why they do this sometimes, like they log me out. I still don't understand why you gotta log in to check sales data. I need an answer from StockX on that one. That's a little bit weird to me, but hey, you know, we're not gonna, I guess, trip too much on that right now, but yeah, there are some sales, look, for $700 on some of these shoes. So I mean, that should let you know how much people are willing to pay for these right now since that contract has ended. So yes, the Grinches are up in price, the 2020 version, the OG version, the OG Kobe 8 What Does, those are obviously $1,200 right now. I even saw some people trying to sell these for $1,000 now, but I mean, just give it a little bit, give it some time. Not yet, you know, give it like 6 months before you're selling these for $1,000, okay? But yeah, I mean, that's I mean, it's serious. This is a serious profitable shoe. I mean, this one especially. Anything a Kobe and a Lakers colorway, a recent one too. I mean, this shoe is going. This is the $1,000 shoe. These two, these are the money makers. But all of them are. This is the, I think, five rings if I'm correct. Yeah, 5 rings. I don't know how I couldn't identify. It literally says 5 all over it. But yeah, the 5 rings, Kobe's, I mean, these are going crazy right now. This, I guess, kind of one of the cheaper ones you could go invest in because, I mean, it is doing that same rise. But but the pairs are not quite all at $400 or like $500 yet. So if you're looking for any Kobe, maybe your budget isn't as big, you could go invest in some of these. And I mean, seriously, like the only place, like the struggle for getting shoes recently, I've Hyper Royals, Uni Blues, any Kobe's. I mean, these shoes, the struggle recently to get these shoes has been insane. Like literally, people have been telling me they've been buying their investments off StockX and they've still been making money of it just because the market is so crazy right now that they can't find them anywhere else. They're trying to find Instagram resellers with pairs and everything, and everything is selling like crazy for crazy high. But I mean, luckily, I mean, I've been on like, you know, Facebook Marketplace. I look for all my deals on like Instagram and stuff. I've been finding a couple there. I mean, there's still some deals out there. And yeah, I guess another one I could show you of this one, I guess kind of the all-star colorway, challenge red, whatever you want to call it. This pair is also going for crazy money. And also, don't forget, you can look for used pairs. Okay, I don't know if I'm like having hiccups or something, but don't forget you can look for used pairs on all these Kobe's and you'll make money. Just make sure they're good condition. Like at least that you're able to clean them up so they look nice. You can sell them later. But if you're trying to just keep them dead stock, I understand that. But I mean, I wouldn't even be too concerned, honestly, about investing in these from anywhere, seriously, because I mean, this chart's serious. I mean, look, it's like $50 a day at this rate. So, I mean, you go look at the recent sales for these ones. What, they're all above 300? Yeah, they're all above 300. So I'm seriously considering. I've never done this before, but I'm seriously considering making a video where I use the Kobe's as an example, and I buy a sneaker investment off StockX. I legit check it, do all that, since, you know, StockX authentication's a little sus. But literally, I'm considering a video where I buy sneaker investments off StockX as a video, and then I just see if I make money off them, which with the Kobe's, I have no concern as to making money off them, but it literally would be sneaker investing off a resale platform, which would be pretty crazy, but I think that's literally the point of the resale game that we're at. Seriously, that's how hard it is to get pairs for normal people. And you know, your boy trying to just stay in the game normally, I mean, it's like almost impossible. So I mean, that's really everything gotta say, you know, just the struggle. I've been looking at Facebook Marketplace. It's kind of where I've had best of luck, kind of contacting people, making some deals. You know, your boy's been trying to look on Marketplace. Looks like I did get a message back from a seller, so I will be going to look and see if I got a deal there. But I'm gonna end the screen recording, and that's really everything your boy has to say. So I'm gonna end this before my camera dies, so let's roll the outro. Anyways, I hope y'all did enjoy this video. I'm just here filming the outro, attempting to get some deals on my phone. I'm attempting to get some deals for some shoes, bro, because I don't know what it is. Market has been insane lately. There's just, everything's been up. I don't have a complaint, though. I mean, shoot, my investments have been doing good with shoes and stuff. So if y'all want more content like this, more videos kind of discussing what's going on and just like the sneaker game, or just kind of like reselling videos, how to cop, anything like that, I'm going to be doing some more vlogs this summer too, since I'm about to be home in like 10 days. So I'm pretty excited about that. We're going to be making some other content, so that's very exciting to me, and y'all will see that. So I hope you guys just did enjoy. Again, if you want to check my IGs, anything like that, down below, they're in the description. And don't forget, I said the goal for this video was like 250 likes, so if we could hit that, that'd be dope. And you know, that's really everything that I have to say. I don't really think there's too much more that needs to be said. And yeah, you know, just your boys struggling to get a deal, but don't worry, we're gonna do it, because we always manage. So I'm Tristan, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video, whenever that is, but it'll probably be tomorrow. I have a good video planned then, I think. So yeah, we'll see if that works out. So I'll catch y'all then. Peace.